I am a dancer. I dance 24/7. I like to act. I love to sing. I love anything. I love. It feels important to be representing a role like this because there are many girls, young girls, that are being sexually abused. And what this film is telling them is, don't be afraid. Tell people so that you don't have to be hurt anymore. And it's important to tell every child, every young girl, that because they shouldn't be hurt. So, this being my first movie, it's really cool because I get to give an important message to all the young girls. And I feel so blessed to have gotten this role. I never told my parents because I was scared. I was afraid, And my uncle, he's my uncle. So to tell my parents that, someone like him would be abusing me, it's so scary. And I guess I just couldn't tell my parents that. And I was afraid. And I didn't talk to anyone. I didn't want to tell anyone. I just wanted to stay in my own world. C'était pas dur. Non, c'était pas difficile. Mais what you really have to do is you have to tap into the character and you have to say, well, if I really was this person, how would I do this? How would I react to everything? And I guess it wasn't hard because that's what being an actress is. You have to tap into your character. So it wasn't difficult. All of the time filming it's worth it. So it's not tiring. It's all worth it because it's a good movie. It gives a good message, and I'm really proud of the movie. Being abused is something to tell. You should not be hurt. You should not be afraid. You don't deserve it. So tell people, tell your parents, tell whoever you feel you need to tell, because you really don't deserve to be hurt like that, and nobody does. So let it out. Don't be afraid. Feel free.